Hi guys, welcome to Metropolitan TV. We are live here at MTN Head Office at Falomo, and we want to see the installation process of an EV charger. We are here at the installation site, and here with me is.
My name is Falomo. I'm the technical support engineer.
Okay, Mr. Abdusalam, can you please tell us what's going on at this site?
So yeah, as you can see, we've done excavation at this point. This is the CEO car park where we will be installing the 60 kilowatts charger, DC fast charger, 60 kilowatts capacity. While there are other works going on the other side of the company, so we are trying to safeguard this spot where we have done the excavation to avoid any form of accident. As you know that Metro Electric takes your health and safety paramount. So this is what we are doing here now. We are safeguarding this spot by barricading it with the caution tape, as you can see. Okay. These are my colleagues also while the work is going on, as you can see. So that's what we are doing basically.
Oh, okay. So now that the excavation has been done, how long will it take for the installation process to go on?
Yeah, the installation process, the scope of work generally, we are looking at 14 days interval to finish the whole job.
Oh, okay. So is it just one electric charger you are installing?
We are installing two chargers.
Okay.
So this is 60 kilowatts.
Okay.
Then the one we are installing also, the other one is 22 kilowatts. Also DC fast charger, but it's on the other side. But as for the CEO car park here, we are installing the 60 kilowatt DC charger.
60 kilowatt DC charger. Okay, that's nice. That's very nice. We would love to journey with you as the installation process is ongoing, to see how Metropolitan handles the installation project of an EV charger. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time.